The first thing you need to decide is where to set up your train. Any dry, firm, and flat surface will do, such as a floor, carpet, or tabletop. However, for long-term use, we recommend you set up a tabletop at convenient height. To make sure you have enough working room, it's a good idea to make a rough track layout by loosely placing sections of track in the configuration desired. Please note that the terminal rerailer section will later be connected to the power pack and power supply, so it's best to place it in a location convenient to a wall outlet or power strip. Some Bachmann HO trains come with an under-track magnet that will later be used to operate your train's EasyMate knuckle couplers. This is a good time to install the under-track magnet if your set comes with one. For best coupling and uncoupling results, install the magnet on a piece of straight track. The magnet attaches directly to the underside of Bachmann's EasyTrack with the double-face tape provided. Make sure that the magnet and metal intensifier place are centered under the rails with a metal plate facing out, and then press them firmly into place. For help in locating the under-track magnet's position, an adhesive indicator is provided, and it should be centered adjacent to the magnet and applied to the side of the track. Once you've decided on all track placement, it's time to start assembling the track. This is probably the most important step required for successful operation of your train. Good track connections ensure a smooth operating surface and continuous contact for the track's electrical circuit. When assembling the track, push it together firmly and at the same time make sure the rail and rail joiners are seated properly. The rail joiners should slip over both bottom flanges of the rails, here and here. You must take care that the rail joiners do not slip under the rails without properly connecting. This will result in train derailments and electrical circuit interruptions. With a little practice, the track sections will snap together easily. But take your time. It cannot be overemphasized how important track assembly is for proper operation of your train. After your track is assembled, you need to double-check for joint connection and fit. Do this by lightly running your fingers over the top surface of the rails in both directions. Any problems will be detected by bumps or distortions on the track surface, and these can be corrected by carefully checking the rail joiner fit.